Introducing Sumitomo Electric Industries. Dedicated wiring harness solutions for agricultural and construction machinery. 1. Product highlights. Utilizes Rosen's high-speed differential cable harness technology to meet high-speed communication requirements. Offers waterproof and dustproof designs, suitable for harsh environments. Customizable harness lengths to meet the needs of different models. Uses Sumitomo's proprietary STQ and STP connectors for high reliability. 2. Application areas. Construction machinery can be used in excavators, loaders, etc. Connecting ECUs and peripheral cameras. Agricultural machinery can be used in tractors, harvesters, etc. Connecting automatic driving systems and peripheral sensors. Next generation models can be used for high-speed image transmission in new models such as excavators and harvesters. 3. Advantages. High reliability, reducing failure rates during long-term use. Low maintenance costs, reducing the burden on users. Comprehensive technical support, providing short lead times and professional evaluation services. Sumitomo Electric Industries. Wiring harness solutions offer significant advantages in meeting high-speed communication and harsh environment resistance, bringing a more stable and reliable product experience to users in the construction and agricultural machinery sectors.